All right, we're actually at 30 seconds here. Trying to work YouTube. Getting a little distracted, trying to upload the videos. Blue pushing hard again here. 23 not bailing, making themselves vulnerable, right? So we're either going to be held to windward here or be pushed over. If it's going to be that aggressive, we either have to put our bow down and stay in front of 24 or bail and do a circle. We can't stay there. Now 24 have been over though. Is 24 going to be over again? That's the question. Hard to tell. 26 gets held out. Does not look like anyone's over this time. Nope, not true. 25 is over, and 23 is over, and 22 is over. Whoa, messy, messy, messy. Oh my goodness. What are we doing over here? What are we doing? Alright, so sit down and sail your boat because you could have already been back at the line by now. I don't know what we're doing over here. This is a messy race. Let's try and organize what's going on. So out here on the left, teal has a pair. We can assume that that pair is 1-2. So back here, teal has the next pair because they have all three boats. So the blue boat that's over here on the left somewhere, they have one pair. The question is, does one of these two boats have 23? That's the second pair. Blue needs that second pair. 23 not bringing it back to the middle, which indicates to me that 23 might not be ahead, but hard to tell, right? That's too much to predict. 25 comfortably ahead though. So if blue has a second pair, they are clean up and losing. We know that because teal has this pair, teal has this pair, and teal has this pair. It looks likely that blue is chasing though. Yes, 24 ducking. But 22 is going to cross. All right, so we have a play here, okay? This boat, this teal boat, or sorry, this blue boat here has a pair, and this blue boat has a pair. Teal is in the 1-3, so they have the upper hand, but the blue boats have, and we're spinning. I don't know how close that one was, but that's fine. It's the right move to spin there. We can look at that on the video. 21 keeping the 1. So now teal is the 2-3-6. So we have a race here. Sorry, blue is the 2-3-6. Teal sailing with the 1-4-5. And this teal boat doing a good job, understanding that they're trying to gap. This boat pushing. So this teal boat's trying to make 22 sail around the course, and this teal boat is making sure that they keep that boat in last. Got to keep doing it on this because on the downwind, 25 is going to be attacked. Now, here's the thing. If you're blue and you have the 2-3-6, attacking in the downwind, it gives you the starboard and leeward advantage, right? You can really attack, but you got to attack two boats at the same time and balance, right? Not saying it can't be done, but requires really good coordination between 22 and 26. 23 doing a nice job of staying in control of 24. Has 24 hooked, just send them up to the, that's good, very, very good. Just sky them up and then extend down to keep your starboard advantage, and your leeward advantage, I should say. They're on port, so the starboard advantage happens naturally. 25 separating from 22 and 26, interesting. But as we've seen all day, this side, it may look like 25 has made a game, but when they come together, the boats on this side of the course tend to have the upper hand. So if these boats come, and we're going for the split. Okay, so 22 is going back to the 4-6 pass back. The 4-6 pass back is very dangerous. All 21 has to do now is do a pass back, and teal is going to be 1-2. The 4-6 pass back is not the way to do it. And so it looks like blue just gave up a really comfortable position. We'll see if teal can clean it up at the leeward mark. The work is not done yet. But with this boat way on the outside, 26 is going to come from behind, 26 going to the inside. You're not going to bust the mark trap on the inside. Teal should round here in the 1-2. So now teal luffs, overlap broken, they can go down. 25, having to go very, very wide, but getting around. And so, this isn't done yet, but it looks like it's going to be done. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Nice job out of 23, though. 24 is still allowed. So 22 put his team at big risk here by sailing back and doing that pass back. It didn't even do the pass back. But now the race is continuing on. 22 is back with it. 26 held out. 23 spinning, not sure why, but we still have the 1-3 pass back going up here. Good job out of Teal. So we can criticize Teal because they didn't execute the pass back effectively. But what did they not do? They didn't lose a pair. So good on them. Didn't lose a pair, cleaned it up. Now they have the 1-3. They have no ace though. So the praise that 23 got earlier is lost in that there's no ace. So it's on the 1 and the 2 to try and separate here and spread this fleet out to keep this 1-2. All right, so Teal not getting stuck into any attacking duels, that's fine, but we're not really covering anyone either. This is a little bit risky. I don't know how far behind 26 is. If they're far behind, it's not so risky. We have the left side of the course covered well. We don't need to get into an attacking duel here. 21, cover. We have the finish line coming up, so if 22 comes back, we should slam 22. But then at that point, if 22 attacks again, we should let him go. Looks like 26 is going to be a threat. We didn't really cover that boat. Can't tell the angles. All right, so 21 has to be careful here. They either need to tack early or duck and take the 3. No, they're still ahead. That angle's hard to tell. So 21 loses a little ground there, but still finishes in the 1-2. Good on Teal for not getting passed back. Blue makes a big blunder on the downwind, gets back into it, but can't really hold on to the play at Mark 4.